You're looking at a 1958 Checker A8 that was manufactured by the Checker Cab Manufacturing Corp. That name would soon change to Checker Motors Corp, and they were trying to appeal more to consumers because they were going to sell passenger cars soon. This car is a Checker A8 Standard, painted in New York City colors, and those are New York City rates. The Standard was the base model. The other model was the Deluxe, and that Deluxe had all kinds of things on it, and it was called the A8 Special. It had power steering, power brakes, automatic transmission, electric front seat, and upgraded interior. This base model sold for $2,084. It included fine things such as turn signals, vinyl interior, a heater and defroster, and believe it or not, that two-tone paint there is standard. Some odd things that are not standard I do have as options, such as that outside mirror, a sun visor for the passenger. I do have a Dana 44 posi rear end with 411 gears. That was an option. I also have a 12-volt battery system, which was fairly new for those cars. Oddly, tires were an option on this car. And of course, I do have that option, but the cab companies didn't want to waste money on things that they could probably get cheaper other places. And a spare tire was a $5.50 option that I do not have. Most of these cars did not carry a spare tire. That was left to the cab company. They had a Motorola radio. If they needed a tire, they'd have someone come out. Under the hood, I have a Continental. There you see my optional tires. Under the hood, I have a Continental 226L head. That's 89 horsepower. It's found in the Kaisers, Jeeps, tractors, forklifts, and others. It gets the car moving along just well. This car has done well with AACA. You'll see some badges here in a moment that will be out of focus. I do have a senior first. I also have a senior Grand National, and I have a discontinued auto badge. That's the bottom tab. Thank you for watching my video.